Okay, in this video I'm just going to be showing you a really easy trick. It's the basics of Begleri Grip Aerials. So Begleri Grip is when you have it in between two fingers. Now what you want to be doing is spinning it like this, doing slips. You just let it rotate, let it spin, and when you're ready you curve up, throw it upwards, and to help that is to extend a little bit. So a basic Begleri Grip Aerial would be like this. So I'm letting go and I'm catching right back in that same grip. It's not too hard. It takes some getting used to it first, but it's a trick that pretty much is easy because you're just kind of catching it with your hand. So a trick to it is when you're about to launch up, you can extend your hand, and at this point you want to kind of give it a flick, and while it's in the air you want to pick and decide which grip you want. When I throw it, I'll catch it right back in between my fingers. Now this is a cool trick to do because you can use this trick to switch grips, and it's really cool to move around in. Doesn't really need that big of an explanation. There's lots of variations of it. This is just the basic version. You could go over your wrist. There's a lot of tricks and variations with it. So hopefully this gives you an idea how to do a basic Begleri Grip Aerial, and hopefully you start making up new versions in no time.